This 1,300 square feet 5-room BTO HDB in Tampines, home to a family of 4, underwent meticulous design by Casper, an interior designer at Monoloft. This Scandinavian modern luxury achieves a perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality. Incorporated about 14 different laminates to meet both feng shui requirements and the homeowner's preferences. Upon entering the living room, you'll see a full-height wooden panel cabinet with custom dark chocolate Calcutta laminate and fluted paneling featuring a niche for shoes. Rib glass enclosed in a sleek black aluminum frame at the setting creates intriguing light and shadow effects, adding depth and privacy to the space. Accommodating the homeowner's spiritual devotion, a full-height display with a custom grey textured outdoor cabinet seamlessly blends style with functionality, enhanced by elevated LED light for added elegance. The living room design is a deliberate reflection of the homeowner's lifestyle and preferences. A custom-designed floating TV console featuring tinted glass and refined storage harmoniously complements the marble-like laminate feature wall set against backdrop of fluted wood paneling. The selection of exquisite grey gloss marble-like floor tiles not only elevates the space but also departs from conventional HDB BTO flooring options. While keeping their family needs in mind, the Scandinavian modern luxury-inspired dining area features a charming half-glass panel that bridges the gap between the dining and kitchen area, fostering a sense of affection that warms the heart. In every corner of the house, meticulous design choices seamlessly blend with the homeowner's lifestyle. A mesmerizing blue-grey marbling backsplash adds enchantment to the kitchen, transforming the act of cooking into a captivating experience. Featuring a harmonious blend of wood grey and Calcutta laminate, is enhanced by built-in sensor LED that serve as a standout design element. This harmony further unfolds with the inclusion of a charming half-glass panel bridging the dining and kitchen areas. In response to the homeowner's desire for a serene ambience in the master bedroom, a customized bed was designed with hidden storage underneath for space optimization. The design incorporates a softer color palette featuring cream and beige tone with textured memento paint finish adorned with LED lights for the headboard, adding depth and interest. Fabric-like textured laminates was selected for full-height wardrobe, along with a small but functional dressing table that not only allows the homeowner to get ready for work but also offers storage space. To address the dead spot at the L-shaped corner, the designers used a pull-out hanger instead of shelves, allowing the homeowner to hang their clothes. With more room to work within the master bathroom and the Scandinavian modern theme in mind, we chose sliding glass doors framed in black, paired with a brass showering head and textured cement floor tiles to add a touch of elegance, elevating the bathroom's overall aesthetic. This space effortlessly creates an inspiring environment for both relaxation and learning. The platform bed maximizes storage space, promoting organization, while black aluminum supports for open shelves add a touch of sophistication, while showcasing the homeowner's children's book and other decorations. The headboard, adorned with LED lights and finished in grey Nippon memento textured paint, complements the customized L-shaped study desk with drawers. We have included a capacious wardrobe that can accommodate the homeowner's children's clothing storage needs. In response to the homeowner's children's needs, the bedroom study fusion provides a tailored space. The versatile platform beds offers storage underneath, complemented by a personalized L-shaped work desk that allows comfortable reading or study by the bed. The Nippon Memento textured paint headboard adds character all within a light oak and white palette, reflecting the Scandinavian modern luxury theme. Cove ceiling lights creates a peaceful atmosphere ideal for learning and creativity. Full-height wardrobe ensures ample storage while maintaining serenity. This space effortlessly integrates both rest and productivity, maintaining a cohesive color scheme that flows seamlessly from the living room to the bathroom and addressing the homeowner's desire for a simple, functional bathroom. We opted for dark grey textured laminate for the bathroom cabinets, paired with textured cement look floor tiles and a frameless tempered glass sliding corner entry shower screen. The design not only maximizes space but also creates an open, airy feel, relieving any sense of claustrophobia.